What up, Snackies? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, guys. I'm happy to see you guys again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, can y'all see my shirt? This come from Cool and Creole Queen. Pretty Girls Mukbang. I ordered a shirt from them. That say Subby Love, and I put like Shay Snacks on the back or whatever, and they sent me this one as a gift. I was so excited. But guys, today we have a good old southern fried catfish, shrimp, some okra, my favorite, and some french fries that's not gonna get ate, but they on the plate. And our snacking cups, we put in my leftover aloe vera juice in here, and I have some hot sauce shiro, the pineapple that I'm gonna actually put on here. So let's go ahead and get let's snack y'all. Y'all know I ain't gonna be before y'all long. I ain't gonna be before y'all that long at all, you know. Hopefully my little, is there still some pulp in there? All right, now, you know what I just realized? They ain't give me no hot sauce. I mean, I got hot sauce. I got hot sauce, but they ain't give me no ketchup. I mean, I got ketchup too, but they ain't give me no mustard. They ain't give me no mustard. Oh. Look at God. Won't he do it? Won't he? Come on now, God. Don't fail me. Don't fail me. Alright, I'm gonna put some of this tartar sauce on my shrimp. Ooh, ooh. Alright. Y'all know these videos I previously recorded. And today, it was a Sunday. So y'all, this food came from, I want one of these. I Postmate this, y'all. So my okra, my fish, still hot, but my french fries was soggy. I don't like soggy fries. I'm gonna put some of this hot sauce shiro on here. Let me see how it tastes. This the peach flavor one. Ooh. Red hot chili peach. Ooh. That's yummy. Yes. These some little small baby shrimps, like y'all. I don't know, the camera make it look bigger. But did I tell y'all all this came from Snappers? They similar to cooked fish and chicken. Child. I'm over here eating fish and chicken. I mean fish and shrimp. I'm back over here eating chicken. And he on the video. Oh, I meant YouTube. Y'all, these little baby shrimps is good, honey. Go sit down, beauty. Oh, I'm just hungry. It is 2:43. My first time eating. Oh, dirty honey, so baby. Y'all know I'm eating till after 12. And clearly, sometimes it go beyond. It go beyond 12. I'm gonna tell you the only thing that I don't like about ordering fried seafood on Postmates. Y'all want a piece of catfish? Is that you can't tell them fry it hard. Oh, you probably can. Oh, that's hot. Okay, y'all, wait. That steam got to me. Okay. Oh, that ain't nothing but the shell. Oh, I ain't the catfish. Oh. Here y'all go. Ooh, that's hot at the bottom. I gotta put that down. I hope I did a thumbnail. I can't remember. I can't remember at all. So y'all know I'm gonna be in a wedding. So this past weekend, we got our bridesmaid dresses. We got our bridesmaid dresses. Process was so easy. Y'all don't worry about my hair. I attempted a, what you call it? A twist out. That twist out ain't, the twist out won. Okay? I tried to fluff it as much as I could. I ain't winning that battle. Y'all know if I don't finish nothing else, I'm gonna finish these fried okra. Y'all want some okra? Grab as many pieces as you want. Y'all, I want to say thank you so very much for all my new suppies. I love y'all. Welcome to Team Snackies. Listen, I love when y'all comment, because y'all know I'm a respond. Y'all know I'm a respond. I love when y'all give me ideas on mukbangs that y'all want to see. Shout out to, is it Big Ten Cartel? I think. I can't tell if you're a he or she, but based on your profile, but they recently asked me to do Latin food, which is kind of hard for me because I'm, you know, predominantly yeah, Big Ten Cartel. I remember it. And they wish me happy growth, like quick growth. But I am planning on doing some excuse me, doing some other ethnicities food soon. Don't worry, it's coming. It's definitely coming. Ooh, y'all, I'm getting full. Well, I guess I'm gonna have me some leftovers. And y'all know how I feel about leftovers, but for this catfish, I could throw it in the toaster oven. I'm sorry, y'all. It's like hanging right now. I could put it in the toaster oven, y'all, and it's gonna be okay. The shrimp was fine. And the shrimp was well done. Y'all can see how dark they are. Y'all know what I'm gonna do with these leftovers? I'm making some cheese grits. So this piece of fish, cause they give you 2 big pieces. So that piece of fish in the oven so it can get crispy again. What you say? It's gonna be like it's fresh out the grease. I'm trying to tell you. I was really hungry. Ooh, that was good. That was good. Wasting hot sauce. All right, y'all. We're gonna finish up these my little okra, and then we're gonna peace out. I'm gonna come and close out. The girl is feeling it. I wonder what my where is my sugar-free ketchup? Technically, I could revive these fries too, but that's the downside of food delivery. All right, y'all, I'm full. Y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all. Thank you so much for coming by, stopping by, taking your time, and watching my video. Y'all know I love y'all, right? Yes. Shay loves y'all, okay? Listen, I'm gonna see y'all on the next video. Peace.